What is up? It's your girl Shay, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. So, as you always know, that I am going to bring to you some of my favorite products to keep you from wasting your money. So, let's get right into it. So, if you are looking for a awesome poreless primer, and what I mean by poreless primer is simply making sure that all of your pores are filled, so it will give you a seamless application when you apply your foundation. So what I'm going to introduce to you is e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer. Listen, y'all, every time, not all times, but you don't always have to get the high-end products. You have store-bought products that work just as well. And this is one of my go-tos. Sometimes I use my higher end, but I also use my store brand products as well because they work just as great. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. So it comes like this. It's more so like a cream base. It's real like thick, but as you apply it into your skin, you will then see the seamless effect. So what I'm going to try to do, being that my makeup is already done, I'm going to apply this product to my hand so you can kind of get the, idea of what wonders it does to the face. So you could just see the creases in my hand, but once I apply the Poreless Putty Primer, you will then see how smooth the surface is. And just so you know, a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to go ahead and get in here and just get a little product. So here we are. And I'm going to apply it here. And I always go in a circular motion, so you can see exactly where the primer is and how it just seamlessly goes into the skin. And you can also see where it's not so smooth. Just to give you an idea of how well this product works, listen y'all, you can go and pick this up at your local Walmart for sure, because this is where I purchased mine. And you can also try Ulta as well. But very cost friendly, awesome product. I suggest you go and pick this up. You all can thank me later. Once again, as I always say, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And if you have not already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit the like button and also share with your friends and your family. Everyone's always looking for an awesome product, so just share it. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this review. And as I always say, until next time, keep smiling.